5 p.m. for weekly eastern Obion and northwestern Henry counties. At 6:58 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Fulgham to near Casey to 6 miles southwest of Dorna, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Martin, Union City, Fulton, Dresden, South Fulton, Troy, Sharon, Cottage Grove, Latham, Palmersville, Clayton, Bernier, Woodland Mills, Rives, Mount Pelia, Jones Mill, Ruthville, Ralston, Schaffner, and Grundy. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties in Tennessee: Henry, Obion, and Weakley. A severe